Okay, I see a big Walmart box coming.
Oh.
All right, let's see what we got here. Fitness Essentials Kit.
Yeah, you stopped working out, and now you need it.
You ever seen those like wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man?
This is the gag? This is what we do on Mystery Tech now? Roast me, make me work out, and then say I'm not as good looking as Chris Hemsworth?
Okay, but remember, this is Mystery Tech.
Oh no, I hate workout tech. That's always the worst. Okay,
well,
what is?
Look on the side. Look at the side. It has a thing.
This better not have been expensive. We've got ourselves a foam mat.
Wait, don't you want to try the rest of it first?
What? It's not even the right side up.
I'll do downward dog.
That's
Oh God, no.
Okay.
Oh, that's a lot of colors.
So this is all just resistance bands. Like that's all this is. I want weight. I don't want resistance. I want to crush resistance. Oh yeah, guess shout out. I put my credit card in to activate my free subscription. Hey Matt, you wanna put your credit card in?
yeah, sure. You pay for it.
What'd I do?
Strong wrist and pulse.
We're warming up as we go.
Whoa.
You feeling the burn yet?
This is not fun. Can I just do my own thing yet? Let's just go extra heavy, extra dumb mode. Ready and what?
What is this? What? Oh, I love Fortnite. I mean, that's well.
Yeah,
You're doing curls.
That's not fun.
Well,
It's not supposed to be fun.
it's exercise.
But that's not exciting. I want to put
Yeah,
on
why
some...
do you think I look like this?
I'm like a dog. You put the tree out and I'm like, ooh, mystery tech. Mystery tech.
Here's the box.
Oh, mystery tech.
Here's the box.
Mystery tech. Mystery tech.
Huh? Huh?
Ah, mystery tech. Shargeek. Is this the thing that all the cool kids are using now?
About 9 months ago.
These are like these little USB-C batteries, but they're like clear and they have like little screens on them and stuff. Hey, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, wow. That's just not like a little bit of, look how much like is on that UI there. Holy balls. I do like the fact that it's nicely like transparent so you can see the capacitors, you can see like the USB controllers and all that kind of stuff. It does say airline safe, which I'm assuming it is, yeah, it's 93.5 watt hours. I mean, that's enough to charge your phone probably 3 or 4 times.
According to their spec sheets, an iPhone 7 times.
Also, shout out to this yellow cable. I'm going to steal this yellow cable. So before I do this, let's take a look at the Slim. So I think the reason the Slim exists is entirely because this is a more like practical sort of spot. I think it's a little easier to like drop in a bag. Okay, wow, we can do 130 watts out?
So it's 100 on the USB-C and 30 on the USB-A.
Ooh, that's good.
So it's 130 simultaneous.
So you look at the two of these, this guy has a little bit more capacity and has an additional USB-C port in the DC, but it can't actually push out the same amount of power. This will charge basically any USB-C device at max speed. 100 watts as of recording this video is the max that any USB-C device that I know will take. So it's been a little while since I filmed that segment, and I've actually started using the Storm 2 Slim as my everyday battery. Now mind you, I don't actually use it every day, but it lives in my backpack, and the ability for it to not only charge my laptop, but phone and everything else while I'm on the go is really helpful. Yes, it is expensive, a little bit more so than it should be, but the fact that it looks cool, it's got this much capacity, it's got the little screen, like, I legitimately like it. It's just a little too much. This video was sponsored by Stamps.com. 2023 is flying by. Whether you've got a side hustle online shop or full-on warehouse to manage, don't let the competition catch you sleeping. Planning early is the key to making the most of your time, and surprise, surprise, postage rates have just increased. Again. Thankfully, Stamps.com has the best discounts in the industry. With 25 years of experience, they have a relationship with both the US Postal Service and UPS to get you incredible discounts, like up to 84% off USPS and UPS rates. Stamps.com automatically tells you what the fastest and cheapest shipping options are, all from the comfort of your home or office. All you need is your computer and printer. They'll even send you a free scale, and they make it easy to schedule a pickup through the Stamps.com dashboard. And if you sell online, Stamps.com seamlessly connects with every major marketplace. Set your business up for success when you get started with Stamps.com today. Sign up at Stamps.com/Austin Evans for a special offer that includes a 4-week trial, plus free postage and a free digital scale. No long-term commitments or contracts. Just go to Stamps.com/Austin Evans, and of course, thank you to Stamps.com for sponsoring this episode of Mystery Tech. What is the Prinker? Is it like Prinker? A printer? Well, it says black ink on it. Is anyone gonna elaborate?
No, you're supposed to open these.
I asked, okay, but before I get into it, do I need to
You've
know
gotten
anything?
lazy in your old age.
More joyful, more creative, more like you. Prinker temporary tattoo. Is it temporary tattoo machine?
Yeah.
Okay, skin primer. Oh, let's get a little more serious.
Wait.
How temporary are these tattoos, I wonder?
About 7 to 8 weeks.
Oh!
I have no idea. I just made
Okay,
that
good,
up.
good. Okay. Log in or just want to browse around? I just want to browse around. Well, so there's a bunch of like tattoo things I could just grab, right? So we've got the overclock logo, the only tattoo I actually have, theoretically.
Where you got that one?
Don't worry about it. There we go. I'm gonna get this tattooed, send a photo, and see what happens. Oh wait, there's text. Oh, I could just, that's fine.
All right, let me help you out with this. We want to make sure this goes where it should go.
Oh no, are you?
Take it off, boy.
Can you spray the area?
It's like Sally from Cars.
Oh, that's cold. Oh, woo,
All
it's
right.
cold. Okay, are you gonna prank me now? This smells like
Go for
hairspray.
it.
Why does it smell like hairspray? Did it do it? Did it do it? Did it work?
Sort of.
Wait, spray it quick. Water seal it.
It's actually not bad for one pass with.
That was terrible. That looks terrible. I don't think she's gonna buy that. Wait, I wanna do another one.
Again, where we put it is really important.
Stop. I'm not taking my clothes off anymore. Mystery tech.
Oh, it's like a cowboy font.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Let's send it. So I just line it up and press it?
Yep.
I can't really see it too well. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Ready?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay,
Keep it
nice
firm
and slow. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, it's very bad. It's very bad.
Oh.
Not the mystery tech that I had in mind.
But it's the mystery tech that comes out at the end of the episode.
Oh, good Lord, Ken. Oh, no. Ken, what are you doing? No, no. Slow and straight. Don't get it crooked and don't go too fast, otherwise it's gonna
There's
be a
nothing
smush.
straight about what's
Yeah,
happening
there's
here.
definitely nothing straight.
Big facts.
This is the most gay thing we've ever done on Mystery Tech. Okay,
That's
ready?
probably not true.
No, you're absolutely right.
Yeah, why do you have to say the truth? Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, okay, very calm, very smooth. Okay. No, it's not ready. It's not.
Yeah, it is.
That was.
No!
I made a mistake. You gotta do that way slower, man.
What do
gotta
you
it way
do?
slower.
Oh man, this angle is.
Yeah, this angle is so sus.
Next.
The Liddle Speaker.
Oh, the little speaker.
The Liddle Speaker.
It's a little
Guy.
guy.
Oh, it is just a little guy. So it's magnetic wireless with stereo surround sound, even though it's
2 speakers.
stereo surround sound. It's one little speaker.
Oh God.
What? They're trying to tell me that this is little? Now I'm curious how this works. Oh, I've got 2 magnetic rings. So it's literally an adhesive and a strip of metal, and it goes. I'm pretty much committing to this strip of metal always being on my phone.
Unless you have an iPhone.
All right. Okay, it is MagSafe compatible. So,
Ish. I would not pick up your phone, but oh God.
see, that's what you call reflexes, my friend.
We can all assume what the usefulness of this is, but we don't know what it sounds like yet.
I mean, it's small, so it's gonna be mid.
I think it'll be better than your phone speaker. Okay, distorted.
No!
Distorted
No!
bass.
No!
Okay, so hold on. Now let me pause this. We'll just switch to the iPhone. Okay, no, the iPhone speaker's better.
Way better! Dude, that is hot poop. The hottest of poop.
HP?
Wow!
I'm sorry, what?
Wow! This is a big guy. Let's see what we got. Polaroid. What company licensed Polaroid this time? So actually, there's a couple things in here. So we've got the Polaroid P1 music player, which I assume is a little Bluetooth speaker. Also, apparently, if you have 2 of these, you can get true stereo pairing because you can just tap them together and they will be paired. Kind of neat. But then there's also this big chungus, and I don't know what the big chungus is. So the Polaroid P4. Is this gonna be like a big speaker? I'm assuming it's just gotta be a big speaker, right? Okay, the little boombox. All right.
Ooh, that's beefy.
You know what? I mean, as a fan of yellow, I'm a big fan of this device.
It's an egg. It looks like an egg. This should have been a good Etama like crossover.
Yes!
Oh, this one.
No. I just hear the bass buzzing. Let's find a track that I know a little bit better. Sounds better, actually. I do want to try, though, the P1 and see how they sound side by side. All right, the P1 is obviously way smaller. I don't think it sounds great. Like, it sounds okay. It's obviously a smaller speaker, and the look of it, I think, is really nice. It feels like it's built well. So, my question before I can render judgment on Polaroid's resurrection is, what are the prices of the P1 and the P4?
Take a guess.
Okay, gonna say this, 40 bucks. This, 100 bucks.
P1
Yeah, I say $40 for P1 is my
is
guess.
$60.
No. Okay, moving on. P4.
Can we get a close up on Austin for a sec? Just.
Oh no.
So this one is $290.
Oof. No! Can I please have an item? Oh, it's a little item. It's a Duncan Yo-Yo. So a Duncan Yo-Yo, clearly the best kind of yo-yo, but why is this on mystery tag?
Because you're Duncan.
3303 something. I forgot how many threes.
33303.
That's the joke? That's Duncan through.
That's the whole thing.
Okay, here's the thing. If you're not familiar, if you are a newer subscriber to the channel, and by newer I mean you've subscribed since the year of 2012, you won't know that my original YouTube name was Duncan33303. In fact, you can still go to youtube.com/Duncan33303, and that's the core URL of this channel.
Where did Duncan come from?
Duncan came from, okay, it's a long story. When I first got online, my mom told me to be afraid of the internet because there are creepos around. So I used a fake name. My friend and I both created fake names. Mine was Duncan. I believe it came from a Lemony Snicket book from a series of unfortunate events. But once the channel actually started to become more successful, it was one of those things where I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna pretend to be Duncan forever. I'm gonna yo-yo now. I have not yo-yoed in so long. Yo-yos are fun. Like, I never could do like the real tricks.
Look at he's doing the flick.
Oh, Jesus. I caught it. So, you may be familiar with a company called Nothing. Yes, Nothing. As in,
Like something?
nope. One of the co-founders of OnePlus left the company and created Nothing, which is a company that creates something. They have a couple products at this point. They have the Nothing phone. They also have the Nothing earbuds. And this is the Nothing ear stick, which I will admit, not a great name, but it looks neat. I know this is only 99 bucks too, but on the other side, for 99 bucks, you're losing things like active noise canceling. So pop off the top. Ooh, wait, this is neat. Wow, okay, I will say that's some style right there. Oh my God, are you serious?
Let's go.
That's dope. You'd see that, I mean, the actual case is gonna be probably too big to fit in most pockets. So this is gonna be more of a thing that you're gonna want in your bag. But I think with this, it's a little bit more of a fashion statement. I don't think it's unreasonable to say. So I will say immediately, they have a very unique design. The stems are all clear, so you really have to kind of look up very close to them, but you can see a lot of the circuitry, the batteries, the magnets, like they look neat, but then the actual ear tips themselves they're plastic. So it's kind of like those old school AirPods. There's not actual like rubber tips or something, which I know some people prefer. Go ahead and pop these in. Oh, that's actually comfy. All right, let's see here. So we've got controls, which I can just customize if I want to. And then I've got my equalizer, which it's just set to balanced, so I'll just start with that. Okay, so immediately, not bad. You don't have the seal, so I think that's one of the places where a higher end earbud is gonna give you a little bit more of a bass kick, just because you actually can have like a proper sort of seal.
So with not having the seal, they bleed pretty bad.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, so while you might like the sound, your neighbor on the bus will not.
You might not want to buy these as your main, only, everyday pair of earbuds. For me, I think I'd still lean toward the Beats Studio Buds, which you can routinely find on sale for 100 to 125 bucks. I think they're more well-rounded earbuds that can kind of do it all. But props to Nothing for doing something different, because this is neat.
Welcome to a new segment on Mystery Tech called Reviewing Austin Evans Thermal Paste Patterns. In this case, we are going to start with potentially the worst offender, which is this one.
Who let you in the studio?
You guys didn't tell me Austin was here.
We hoped he wasn't.
I was coming to shoot Mystery Tech today.
Yeah, but Adam was here.
Welcome.
Have I been replaced?
Welcome to your roast of thermal paste patterns.
Yo?
So if you're not familiar, my good buddy Mr. Yeaster here, we've actually done a couple of videos together at this point.
Yep.
And I guess today we're looking at the DualSense Edge. So the DualSense Edge is the first time that Sony have ever released a Pro controller, right? Similar to something like the Xbox Elite controller. The idea is this is going to give you customizable like paddles. You can actually swap the sticks out when they inevitably start to drift. All right, here, my friends, is the DualSense Edge.
Wow. I mean, it does look pretty sleek.
It's a little heavier. Also, I thought, watching videos, I thought that this piece was like aluminum or something. It's just like shiny plastic. It's like piano black.
That's the biggest zonk, I think, from everything.
So, unfortunately, our PS5 is currently out of date. So we'll be right back after a quick little update of our firmware. And we'll give a very thorough test, assuming our PS5 is up to date today or maybe tomorrow. Let me walk you through my DualSense Edge setup. So I have chosen to go with the tall dome stick for my steering. I have mapped my shift buttons to the rear paddles, and I have adjusted my left stick sensitivity to be a little bit more gradual.
Right-hand drive, let's go.
Oh no, the shift doesn't work. Oh no, the shift doesn't work. Okay, so that's one problem here. Oh, it didn't save my profile. Oh no.
That would make a lot of sense.
But wait, I even made it. Am I stupid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, it was here. Okay, so hang on. So all I need to do is sign it. All right, now can I go back to the game? Yes, I can. All right. Okay, it does. I can confirm it does work. Let's go! Third place! Third best, baby! The DualSense Edge is a nice controller. There's no doubt. If you are in the market for a Pro controller on the PlayStation side, this is clearly your option. But the DualSense is probably the greatest controller that you can buy right now. Like, I honestly believe that. But if you want to know more about Pro controllers, we've done an entire This Is all about the very best and the very worst Pro controllers out there. Wonder where the DualSense Edge is going to land. Below the Elite controller.
Bye.